हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू टेक्सी टेक यूट्यूब चैनल. दिस वीडियो discussed about by Llama 3.1, a giant leap in open source AI. So let's start my video. Meta has once again shaken up the AI landscape with the release of Llama 3.1, a collection of open source language models set to transform intelligent application development. This new suite of models represents a quantum leap in the field of accessible high performance AI. Key points: flagship model with 405 billion parameters, extended context window to 128K tokens, enhanced support for 8 languages, significant updates to 8B and 70B models, performance comparable to leading commercial models. The 405 billion parameter giant, the crown jewel of Llama 3.1, is its impressive 405 billion parameter model. This AI consensus marks a milestone in the scale of open source models for far surfacing its predecessors and revealing the most advanced commercial models on the market. The magnitude of this model is just about numbers with 405 billion parameters. Llama 3.1 can capture and process information with unprecedented detail and understanding in the open source world. This translates into an enhanced ability to comprehend complex context, generate more coherent responses, and perform tasks requiring a sophisticated reasoning. For developers, this means access to a model that can understand subtle language nuances, interrupt complex instructions with greater precision, and generate more accurate and contextually relevant code, whether creating advanced programming assistants, code analysis systems, or automatic documentation and generation tools. The 405B models offers a level of comprehension and generation previously available only in high cost previously models. Extended context window, a new horizon. One of Llama 3.1 major advancements in extending the context window to 128K tokens, a massive leap from the previous 8K tokens. This has profound implications for tasks requiring detailed context understanding, such as analysis of extensive documents. Developers can process and analyze complete technical documents, extensive data code bases, or long system logs in a single pass, obtaining more coherent insights. Long form content generation, it becomes more feasible and coherent to create detailed technical documentation, extensive reports, or even technical book chapters. Extended technical conversations, AI assistants can maintain long technical discussions without losing context, which is crucial for debugging sessions or explaining complex concepts. Project level code analysis, instead of analyzing isolated code fragments, developers can understand larger and more complex code structures, facilitating tasks like large scale refactoring or system optimization. Collaboration tools in support systems, Llama 3.1 can maintain long technical discussions without losing the thread with its, which is crucial for design sessions, code reviews, or explanations of complex concepts. This ability to handle extensive context improves the quality of interactions and opens the door to applications that were practical where with models of more limited context windows, multilingual mastery, overcoming global barriers. Llama 3.1 breaks language barriers by supporting 8 languages. This enhancements sharpens the model's utility. Simplified internationalization, creating multilingual applications becomes easier as the model can handle translations and cultural adaptations with a greater precision. Improved global collaborations in international development teams. Llama 3.1 can serve as a linguistic bridge, facilitating communication and exchange of technical ideas between developers from different countries. Access to global resources, the ability to process and understand technical documentations in multiple languages vastly expands the pool of resources available to developers. Llama 3.1 can help translate and summarize technical articles, APIs, documentations, and discussion forums in different languages, allowing developers to benefit from global knowledge and international market development. Llama 3.1 offers a powerful tool to adopt their products and communications to different linguistic markets for startups and companies looking to expand globally. Smaller models, big impact. Well, the 405B model grabs headlines. The updates to the smaller 8B and 70B models are equally relevant. These updated models offer improved performance in a more accessible format, which is crucial for implementations with limited resources or applications requiring real time responses. Implementation flexibility. Smaller models allow the integration of advanced AI capabilities into a wider range of devices and in environments, from mobile applications to embedded systems. Resource optimizations. In scenarios where response time is critical or computing resources are limited, this models offer an optimal balance between performance and efficiency. Faster iterative development. This more agile models can accelerate development and testing cycles, allowing for faster interaction in AI application development or democratization of advanced AI by offering advanced capabilities in more accessible formats. These models allow a broader spectrum of developers and organizations to incorporate cutting edge AI into their projects. Improving this smaller models expands the range of possible applications and makes advanced AI more accessible to projects and developers with limited resources. World class performance. One of the most impressive aspects of Llama 3.1 is its ability to compete on par with leading commercial models like ChatGPT 4 and Cloud 3.5. Sonnet Meta benchmarks show that Llama 3.1, especially in its 405B version, achieves comparable performance levels across a wide range of tasks. This level of performance in an open source model has important implications. The democratic access to cutting edge AI. Developers now have free access to AI capabilities previously only available through costly APIs or proprietary model. Accelerated innovation. The ability to freely experiment with a model of his caliber can lead to new applications and advances in AI cost reduction. For startups and companies, Llama 3.1 offers a high performance alternative to expensive commercial solutions. Customization and control. Unlike closed models, Llama 3.1 allows developers to adjust and adapt the model to their needs. The fact that an open source models can compete with commercial leaders marks a turning point in AI, promising a future where AI innovation is within reach of a much broader group of developers and organizations. Llama 3.1 400B Human Evolution. The 400B Llama model's training used more than 1600 NVIDIA-100 GPUs processing over 15 trillion tokens. This brute force approach allowed the model to absorb and process unprecedented information. For developers, this translates into a model with an extensive and deep knowledge base capable of understanding and generating content is in various domains with surprising precision and relevance. Knowledge distillation. One of the most existing innovations is how Meta used the 405B models to improve the performance of smaller models 8B and 70B throughout knowledge distillation techniques. This process allows more manageable models to inherit a part of the capacity and knowledge of the larger model. This technique is particularly relevant for developers as it allows access to advanced capabilities in lighter and more efficient formats, facilitating the implementation of advanced AI in a variety of contexts and devices. Synthetic data generation. Meta employed advanced synthetic data generation techniques to create high quality training sets in various domains, including programming and mathematical reasoning. For developers, Llama 3.1 has a deeper and more precise understanding of technical concepts and can generate more relevant and accurate content in these domains. This is particularly useful for code generation, automatic debugging, and technical documentation creation. The future multi-model capabilities. I thought Llama 3.1 is a text-based model. Meta has hinted at future multi-model capabilities. The model's architecture is designed to accept image, video, and voice inputs, suggesting that upcoming versions cloud rival the multi-model capabilities of closed source competitors. For developers, this opens up an existing horizons of possibilities. Visual code analysis. Imagine an AI assistant that can analyze flowcharts, UML diagrams, IDE screenshots to provide code suggestions or identify code issues, design issues. Interactive documentation. The ability to process text and images simultaneously. Cloud create a richer and more interactive technical documentation with integrated visual examples and contextual explanations. Voice and image assisted debugging. Developers called show screenshots of errors and verbally describe the problem, receiving a more precise and contextual solution suggestions. Descriptions based UI generation, understanding contextual subscriptions, and generating visual mockups, and cloud revolutionizing the UI per UX design process, allowing developers to iterate on design ideas rapidly. Visual performance analysis. Multimodal Llama called analyze performance graph and execution traces, providing deeper insights into code optimization. Pair programming assistance with voice and video processing capabilities. Llama Cloud called act as a Third, participant in pair programming sessions offering real-time suggestions based on the conversation and code being written. Sketch to code translation developers called draw quick sketches of data structures or control flows, and Llama called translate them directly into functional code. This future multi-modal capabilities promise to take software development assistants to a new level, integrating multiple forms of input and output to create a more intuitive, efficient, and powerful development experience. Getting started with Llama 3.1. The model is available through Code GPT for developers eager to experiment with Llama 3.1. This platform offers a simple and direct way to integrate Llama 3.1's capabilities into their projects, allowing developers to leverage the full potential of this advanced model without the need for complex infrastructure. Code GPT provides an intuitive interface to interact with Llama 3.1, allowing developers to experiment with code generation and function completion, obtain detailed explanations about complex code fragments, receive suggestions for code optimization and refactoring, generate technical documentation based on existing code, get assistance in problem solving and debugging. By using Llama 3.1 throughout Code GPT, developers can easily integrate this advanced AI capabilities into their existing workflows, improving their productivity and code quality. Privacy and control, the advantages of open source. One of the most significant advantages of Llama 3.1 as an open source model is the flexibility it offers in terms of data privacy and control over implementation. This feature is precious for companies and developers handling sensitive information or with strict regulatory compliance requirements. Self-hosted implementation. Unlike many commercial models only available through cloud APIs, Llama 3.1 can be implemented on a proprietary infrastructure. Self-hosted, this means total data control. Developers can run the model on their servers, ensuring that sensitive data never leaves their infrastructure. Regulatory compliance, it facilitates compliance with data privacy and security regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA. Advanced customization, organization can adjust and optimize the model for their needs without depending on an external provider. Latency reduction, a local implementation offers faster response times for applications requiring quick responses. Connectivity independence. Applications can function without a constant internet connection, which is ideal for environments with limited connectivity. This flexibility is implementation and control over data makes Llama 3.1 an attractive option for a wide range of use cases, from agile startups to large enterprises with strict security requirements. The ability to use a cutting-edge AI model while maintaining complete control over data and infrastructure is a critical differentiator in the current AI landscape. A new horizon for open source AI. Llama 3.1 represents a giant leap in the field of open source AI, offering capabilities that rival the best commercial models available today. With its 405B model, extended context window, improved multilingual support, and underlying technical innovations, Llama 3.1 transforms intelligent application development and democratized access to the advanced AI. Developers now have a powerful tool that expands the possibilities of AI developments and sets a new standard for open source models with Llama 3.1. The future of AI is more accessible, flexible, and promising than ever. The developer community now faces the challenge of leveraging these new capabilities. What new tools, frameworks, and multilinguals and privacy challenges. This is providing deeper insights, code functional insights, and written being code and conversation. The on-based suggestions, time real offering sessions, programming pair in participant third as act cloud llama capabilities processing video and voice with assistance programming pair optimization code into insights deeper providing traces execution and graphs performance analyze cold llama multimodal analysis performance visual rapidly idea design on iterate to developers allowing process designed a UI per UX, the revolutionized called mockups, visual integrating and descriptions, textual understandings, and others. These devices and context of variety in AI advanced of implementation, the facilitating formats efficient more and lighter in capabilities advanced to access allows it as developers for relevant particularly is techniques this model larger the of knowledge and capacity the of part iterate to models manageable more allows to process this techniques distillations knowledge thought 70b and 8b models smaller of performance the improved to model 400b 45b the more the use meta and other in commerce that for the resource infrastructure and others that the more methodologies will emerge for this from this technology how will all development practices change to incorporate this powerful AI assistance. So friends, my topic is complete. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.